Every time a crisis hits, most people panic. They sell their stocks. They pull out their money. History reveals a powerful pattern.
During recessions, crashes, and financial strife,
Billionaires follow a simple crisis playbook. Step 1. They keep cash ready. Cash gives them the power to buy assets when prices collapse. Step 2.
The biggest difference isn't money, it's psychology. Average investors react emotionally. Billionaires react strategically.
After the 2008 financial crisis, many investors sold everything. But those who invested during the panic saw enormous gains in the years that followed. The next crisis is not a matter of if, it's a matter of when.
The wealthy don't get rich by avoiding crises, they get rich by understanding them. Because while others see disaster, billionaires see opportunity.
What if I told you that almost every major financial crisis has created a new generation of millionaires? When prices collapse, assets become cheaper.
Riffy. Imagine two investors. Both have $10,000. A crisis hits. Investor A panics and sells everything.
When page propriety.
When fear dominates the headlines, billionaires start paying attention because fear pushes prices below
Stocks. Stocks aren't the only opportunity. During crisis, real estate often becomes rubber desperate. The billionaire advantage isn't just money, it's patience. They understand wealth isn't built overnight. A crisis may last months.
Every crisis creates one of the biggest wealth transfers in history. Assets move from impatient hands to patient hands. The next generation of billionaires may be built during the next crisis, not because they predict the future, but because they prepare for it. Crises have always tested investors, but they've also created extraordinary opportunities. The next time markets fall, remember,